This is probably one of the hardest things for me to explain. It is the name in the passport. Now, someone will contact me and they'll say, I want the passport back in the same name that's in it now, Walker Brown. And I will look in the passport and I will see the surname as Brown, nay Walker. If you have one surname before nay in your passport, it means that is your only surname. Anything that comes after nay in your passport is no longer your name unless it is in front of your husband's name. So again, if your passport says surname Brown, nay Walker, it means you gave up Walker to become Brown. Not because you see the birth name in the passport, it does not mean it is still your legal name. You gave it up when you got married. You don't get back that name unless you become divorced, and in the divorce document, you agree to go back to your maiden name. Your maiden name, your birth name, your father name, your original name, your right name again, as my clients call it. So one more time, nay means you were formerly that name. Unless you see Walker Brown, nay Walker, it means you gave up Walker. Again, if your passport says Walker Brown, nay Walker, it means you still have Walker. If it says Brown, nay Walker, you gave up Walker, you are only Brown. So when you think the new passport in 2025 will come back saying that you are Walker Brown or Brown Walker, it will not. The new passport no longer says nay. So if you were leaning on that birth name that you gave up because your bank account was in that birth name, you are going to be out of luck with the new passport. There is no nay, so the name that is after nay in your current passport will not be in your new passport. This is very hard for me to explain. I don't have any graphics because I'm not going to open up my passport and show you, and I can't show anybody else's passport. But nay means that's your previous name. That's the name you were born with. You gave up that name. If you don't see two surnames in front of the word nay, whatever name is in front of the word nay, that is the only name you have. Anything that comes after nay, that is the name you gave up. I am Gail, explaining for my life. We are 876 Documents, and we help Jamaicans all around the world with Jamaican passport, citizenship, birth certificate, marriage certificate, adoption, deed poll, correction of names, addition of father's particulars, pretty much any of these identity documents. And I thank you for watching.